Oil has started the day with a little recovery. We have seen it moving towards 73.8, and as we discussed earlier in the day, that till 74 you need to remain cautious. It is yet to break beyond $74 levels. Yesterday we have seen a sharp reversal highs from the highs at 74.5. Now, what to expect? And yes, not to forget that natural gas has breached below the support levels at 3.34, moved towards 3.3 as it has now recovered. So, what to expect now from crude oil and net gas with the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day for crude oil and natural gas with detailed analysis and logical levels so that you can profit throughout the across the sessions, be it the US, be it the Asia, or be it the Europe session. So do subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Watch. Firstly, oil on the hourly charts. What it is trying to do. See, I have mentioned earlier in the day that 74 is the level it needs to break. Now, see, this is slightly skewed here on the downside. If you skew it slightly, you will find that now it is going to be difficult for oil to break beyond 74.5, because once it stays above 74.5, the next target is towards 75, and that is also gap filling exercise. Because see, I have been mentioning this multiple times in each and every video of mine since last multiple weeks that oil is definitely going to achieve 74.5, 75 zone since 66, $67. I have been mentioning this, and now we have seen yesterday it hitting 74.5. So today again, if you see oil trading above 74, you can stay bullish, expect 74.5 and then 75 levels. Beyond 75 is where the bulls are waiting. Else, see, till 74.5 at least you have to be cautious, and then we are looking forward to 75, and beyond this more bullishness. Moving averages started to converge, but now again starting to look upwards. That is a good sign supportive of the bulls. The stochastic back to overbought. MACD hitting the lows is now crossed over looking upwards. Again, a very good sign for the bulls here. RSI rising, coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See, it has got a sharper reversal. It has breached the 20 period. It has moved towards 50 period and now trying to bounce back. Just let it stay above 74. That should be an ideal level for us to take a buying position here. And remember another important point here, that it has failed to break below 72.4 levels. What did we see earlier? What did we discuss earlier? That yes, you can sell here at 73.2, but then you have to be cautious of 72.8, 72.4 zone, which is going to remain a prime support. Now it is ready to deliver a breakout here. So let it stay above 74, which will be a very good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic rising. The MACD has hit the lows, trying to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. The crossover here will mean a reversal. RSI is still trading with a modest bearish bias. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, yes, this taper you should look at, and this expansion you should look at, and now the next critical zone at 74. So yes, beyond 74 is stay bullish, and possibly you can look forward to 74.5, 75. I'll show you on the daily charts why these levels are critical. See, earlier we have seen oil respecting this zone here and try to bounce back. Now after a long while it has breached the 20 period and trying to bounce back up again. So this breakout is definitely one indication that we have to be cautious at least till 74.5, even if it rises. Moving averages is starting to look up first. The MACD, if you look at it, has crossed over for sell. It was trading with divergence, now trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here, which will confirm a reversal. RSI has dropped a bit. On the 4 hour charts, if you look at now, this is interesting to note. On the 4 hour charts, see, this is a different story. One drop to second drop towards 20 period, and now then it was trading with extreme divergence. Now you can look at what it has done. The 20 period moving average has become the support here for the oil prices, and what a good support it has formed, now ready to break out here. So this breakout is what you should wait for. This will be the only confirmation of reversal here. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone. Look at the MACD. This is one worry point, as it has crossed over at the top and it is trading with slight bearishness, and this is also delivering the waves here. Though it is not that oil cannot hit the highs, but it is right now in the process of forming the next leg of the top. So I'll wait for a crossover here, which will be the only confirmation of reversal. RSI has come to a comfortable zone. Coming to the daily charts. Now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at oil on the daily chart. See, I am just looking at the yesterday's lows. It has breached this, yet it has failed to break below the critical support at 72.4. It is not that it cannot reverse. Still, yes, it can still reverse and drop, and yes, it can still manage to erase all the gains for the. But I will wait to for it to now trade below 73.2 levels, and then below that you can again initiate a selling position. However, as I have mentioned, do not treat oil as bearish as long as 72.4 is not taken. And now on the upside, I will recommend a buy when you see oil above 74. That is the only level above which you can say that the bulls are back. See, the moving average is crossing over here is indeed a very, very good sign for the bulls. And also notice it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. The highs now are at 75 for the day. Also, I have shared several times, I have been tracking this gap in crude oil here at 74.575. This needs to be filled very, very soon, and then I will be looking forward to 75.876. So these two levels sooner or later has to be there. Also notice on the daily charts, this was the quadruple bottom and this was the squeeze. It is breached this. It is the rally which is going to stay here. Again and again, I have mentioned this. The stochastic has dropped, MACD rising, RSI rising. Considering buy at 74, expect 74.4, 74.5, and then 75 levels at the next targets. Beyond 75, I will be looking forward to 75.8, 76 levels very, very soon. On the downside, sell here at 73.2, expect 72.8, 72.6, and then 72.4. If 72.4 is taken, do not think of buying oil. We are looking forward to 72, 71. 571.4, and then below that is where you can see ideal bearishness should be there towards 70, chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas today try to fill the gap what it has created here, but it is trying to reverse from half the way. I mentioned below 3.34 is where you can look forward to 3.3 and then 3.2524. It is now reversing from 3.3 levels, showing a reversal sign. Increasing bullishness is seen. Possibly it can again trade above 3.4 levels, which is going to be a one good resistance. Then 3.425 and 3.45 levels will appear. Any move beyond 3.5 is a sign of reversal. Yes, it can still deliver a V-shaped recovery, and breaking past 3.5 is where the bulls are waiting in natural gas. Stock ISIC rising from the oversold, MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. RSI rising, which is a good sign, supportive of the bulls. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. See, symmetrical means the current candle is also going to be symmetrical, means we are looking forward for gas to move towards 3.4, 3.45 zone, and these levels are achievable. Beyond that, it is going to show more bullishness towards 3.5, and beyond 3.5, just stay bullish. Now, what I am looking at here is see slightly lower lows, slightly higher highs. So this is possible that it can try to move towards the next target at 3.6 as well very, very soon, because it is showing a reversal. Ideally a 3.4, 3.45 anyways has to be there here. If you look at stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD is bearish trying to converge. The RSI is showing a bit of rise. On the 3 hour charts also similar observation here. See, posting a reversal candle, it is trying to bounce back. I will wait for it to break beyond 3.45 and 3.5 zone. That is the only level above which the bulls will be seen. Else what is happening, I'll treat this as reversal. It can possibly move towards 3.4, 3.425, or in fact 3.45 levels. Stock ISIC at the bottom here, the MACD is still in green. It has tried to converge, not yet crossed over. It is still selling with the buy side. RSI is rising as well. On the 4-hour charts, here is the similar observation, though the moving averages are running flat without any divergence, but this is still on the sell side. Also, there is a reversal, so possibility of a little retracement towards 3.4, 3.425, 3.45 exists, and beyond that, it may move towards 3.5. Any move beyond 3.5 is a clear sign of reversal for the day. The stochastic has dropped sharp, the MACD almost flat, the RSI is trying to look upwards, which is a good supportive sign for the bulls. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see what did we discuss here? Lower highs here, and that is why also I said that only about 3.5 the bullishness should be seen here. Right now it is trying to deliver lower highs, lower lows, though once it stays about 3.34 levels, 3.4 levels here, you can expect a little rise towards 3.425, 3.45, and any move beyond 3.5, you can say the bulls are back and you can look forward to a greater recovery here. See, moving, if you look at the natural gas movement here, see, this bigger the rise, bigger the drop phenomena is what we had seen so far. Now taking the support from the 50 period, it is trying to bounce back, and now it is very critical for net gas to break beyond 3.5, 3.6 zone, because beyond this, ideally looking forward to 3.944 levels here. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. Look at the MACD. This is the one which is a matter of concern, which is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. So consider you can buy here at 3.4 levels, expect 3.425, 3.45 levels, and then if it stays beyond 3.45, stay bullish for 3.5. Beyond 3.5, it is not going to come back down. Remember this fact. Beyond this, ideally, I'll be looking forward to 3.54, 3.6, and beyond 3.6 is sky's the limit. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is only and only if you see it is staying below 3.34, where you can expect 3.3, 3.2624 levels. Now 3.2624 is the most important support zone for the day. Any break below this should take it towards 3.2 levels, which is a critical support level, which it should not break in any case, because below that more bearishness should prevail, and then you can look forward to 3.1, $3 levels, which I think should not be the case in natural gas. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch the next update with the Asia session tomorrow. Thank